Let the games begin!
Where did he go?
Huh? What happened?
Don't look at me.
How long will this take? It's almost nap time.
Hey, how can she fall asleep like that? The game's about to start. Whatever. It's time for round 1.
Where am I? Aw, I had the best dream. I was knitting. What is it? What's so funny? That's it! I'll show you! I just need to get a few things first.
What are you doing, Granny?
You'll soon find out. Just you wait. Where is it? Ah, my flour. I'll need this.
You just carry that around?
You'll never know when you need to bake a cake. I just need one more thing. Sorry. It was an accident. It's time to crank up the heat. Oh, that's looking good. Oh, I almost forgot. She can go right here.
What? What just happened? Wow.
I'm not finished. I'll press this ring into the cake. That will form a barrier. Then I can drizzle over chocolate sauce. I could eat it all. Chocolate is my favorite. That should be enough. Next I need sprinkles. No cake is complete without them. They can go on top of the chocolate sauce. Now for the fun part. I'll lift off the ring. It's like a sweet avalanche. And now she's wearing a dress.
My mind is blown! What is going on?
Not bad for an old lady, huh?
How am I gonna compete with that? I better do something. I'm glad Mom packed my lunch. I can use this tomato. Check it out! These hands are dangerous! Now where's my syringe?
What the? Stay back!
Relax, Granny. Watch this. I'll remove the top.
I'm so confused. But I'm watching you.
Be cool. I don't want any trouble. I'll press the syringe into the bread. Then into the other ingredients. Just like this. It cuts out the perfect circle. Now I'll insert a cocktail stick. I want it to go through each layer. Then I'll push the plunger to get them out. These look tasty.
They really do. I mean, it's okay if you like tiny sandwiches.
What do you think? This is my favorite part. I'll start with the cake. I'm looking forward to this. It's so light and fluffy. It's stunning.
Ah, thank you, dear.
What about mine? Interesting. It's a flavor sensation. You win! Did you hear that? Woohoo! Go Liam! Oh, sorry. We're ready for round 2. We guessed that.
What should I do this time?
Oh, I know. I need to make a quick call. Hello? I need your help.
So it's like that, huh? Wait, I only call Liam.
Great. I appreciate it. Bye. Wow, that was fast. Let's see what I've got. Eggs? Okay. It's time to fry these bad boys. Meh, they'll be a little crunchy. What's next? I'll add a splash of oil. That'll help them sizzle. I better turn the cooker on. It smells good. I'm a master in the kitchen. Hey! Careful! Quit it!
Are you okay?
It's all under control. I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, looks like it. I suppose I better get started. Maybe you'll learn something. That's enough oil. Oh, I know. I could do with some moisturizer. I better be quick. I don't want it to be hot.
What are you doing, Granny?
Just my daily beauty routine. And I smell like French fries. It's time to cook. I'll break the egg into the pan. Then I need a glass. I'll place it over the egg yolk. Now I'll whisk the white. I want them to be nice and fluffy. Just like this. They're almost done. That should do it. Now I'll wait for the yolk to cook. Placing a lid over the pan will help create steam. It'll make the egg white pop up. It looks good. Yummy. I can plate it up.
Wow, she is good. My dish might taste better than it looks. Who am I kidding?
I'm glad I'm not eating that.
Gimme! 2 different approaches to cooking eggs. Do I have to eat this? I mean, look at it. I tried my best. Now this is more like it. It's amazing! You win!
It was never in doubt.
Yeah, that seems fair. What's next? I know. It's round 3.
He's such a showman.
That's one bright light. Seriously, what is that? Whoa, look at that! What a pretty rainbow. Wow, it's so magical. I love rainbows.
Hey, what are you looking at? Oh, the rainbow. Whoa, that gives me an idea. I need this bowl of pancake mix. I need a few more things. These bottles of food coloring. This is gonna be great. I'll add the coloring to the pancake mix. I don't need a lot. That should be enough. Now I'll mix it together. I want a nice, vibrant green. Just like this. I can spoon it onto the hot plate. This'll give me the perfect amount. I've done the same with the other colors. I'll keep them spaced out. Now I need to wait for the bubbles. That means they're cooked. That looks about right. It's time to flip them! They smell great! A yummy stack of rainbow pancakes!
Such a delicate aroma. Bravo! They look excellent. Huh? What's that? Wait, the challenge!
Just wait until you try them!
That's nothing. Wait until you see this. I have a bowl of flour and a whole lot of eggs. I hope this works. I'm still nervous around eggs. There's no going back. I'll crack the eggs into the flour. At least there's no shells this time. Now I need to mix it. I thought this would be a lot easier. But it's kinda relaxing. Huh? That's not what I planned. I'll just peel this off. This is pretty cool. Next I'll put it in the pan. I want it to be golden brown. Let's get it out of there. I don't want to burn it. I'm pretty happy with that.
He's a culinary genius! Is there anything he can't do?
They love me! Woohoo! I mean, thanks.
Well done. But you don't decide who wins.
Wow! 2 edible plates of food! I'll try the pancakes first. Very nice.
Thank you, dear.
This looks handy. Ha! Get it? Wow! I want more! It's delicious! You win! Yes! I knew it!
Are you kidding?
Go Liam!
Okay, let's do this one more time. It's round 4. Okay, the pressure is starting to mount.
This is getting tricky. But I've got it. I left it around here somewhere. Here it is. A basket of fresh fruit. What should I use? You can't go wrong with a kiwi. I'll give it a little polish. Ugh, my breath. I forgot to brush this morning. Okay, let's do this. I'll start by peeling the kiwi. Then I'll cut it into slices. Next I'll place the slices on a wooden skewer. I'll push it through the center. Now for the next part. I've placed sugar cubes in a pan. I'll let the sugar melt. Then I can dip the kiwi into it. Then I can flip it and do the other side. Then I'll let it set. Delicious candied fruit. I'm glad I've got a sweet tooth.
It's not as sweet as you. Nailed it.
Aw, thank you, boys.
That's pretty smart. Wait, I have an idea. I just need something. Aha! Got it! I'm glad I kept this candy. Huh? Hold on. What? This might be useful. I'll keep it for later. But I need this candy right now. Prepare to be amazed.
Watch what you're doing!
It's payback for the rolling pin. Now I need to melt the candy. I always have a hairdryer with me. That's why my hair is so luscious. It's working! Caramel. Now for the next part. I need this straw. I'll run it through the caramel. I want the end to be covered. It's ready. I'll blow through the straw. And now I have candy bubbles. That is awesome!
He's right. That is.
That's it? That's all you've got? This is better.
It's not as impressive as I thought. It's a lollipop extravaganza! It must be my lucky day. I'll try Liam's first. A little underwhelming. I had big hopes for that. Now for Granny's candied fruit. Wow, Granny wins!
Yes! I knew it!
I knew you wouldn't let us down!
So now what?
Look, it's the money!
Oh, there's so much!
I'm gonna buy so much cool stuff!
I'm buying a skateboard!